Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix download failed in Chrome in your Android device. So let's get started. So you want to fix this problem where it shows you download failed in your Chrome browser. So to fix that, first of all, what you have to do is head over to your app info of your Chrome browser. So what you can do is just simply tap and hold on to your Chrome browser and then tap on this eye icon, which is app info. So you can use this way, or you can manually just type in settings, and after inside your settings, now in search bar you have to search for apps, and inside your apps you have to search for Chrome. After searching for Chrome, now you'll come up to this app info section, and from here what you have to do is, first of all, you have to check your permissions. So after tapping on your permission, you have to make sure that every single option is turned on, mainly your file and media. So if it's turned off, then you might face that kind of problem. So simply turn every single option on. And after checking this, now what you can do is just simply tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. After tapping on mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn these two options on. So your background data and your unrestricted data usage should be turned on. And after doing that, just tap on advanced. After tapping on advanced, in advanced you can find this option which is install unknown apps. So just tap on it, and if it's turned on, then you can't download any unknown apps from your Chrome. So what you can do is just simply turn it on, and after turning it on, you will fix this problem. So after doing that, what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser and then tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right. After that, tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just scroll down and then tap on downloads. After tapping on downloads, now what you have to do is you have to check that your download location path is to your internal storage. So I don't have a SD card, which means external storage card. I don't have that, so it will probably save all my downloads in my internal storage. But if you do have a SD card, then what you can do is just simply change it to your internal storage. After doing that, you will most probably fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix download failed in Chrome browser in your Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.